Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is creating a lot of buzz, especially with the Unpacked event just around the corner on January 22. While we're still waiting for the official reveal, leaks have already given us a sneak peek into what we can expect, particularly when it comes to the memory and storage options for the base models. For those looking at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it seems like the device will stick with a similar memory and storage setup as its predecessor. However, the base model is set for a major upgrade. According to the tipster Ambisha Girav, the Galaxy S25 will feature a significant RAM boost, jumping from 8 GB to a hopping 12 GB. This change comes as no surprise since the Galaxy S24 Plus already began with 12 GB of RAM. What's even more exciting is that the Galaxy S25 Plus will also start with the same 12 GB, leaving behind the 8 GB variant altogether. Along with the RAM upgrade, the base storage is getting an upgrade too. The Galaxy S25 starting storage will go from 128 GB to 256 GB, providing users with more than enough space for apps, media, and files. When it all comes together, the base Galaxy S25 will offer 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is quite an impressive configuration for a flagship smartphone. With these upgrades in place, the Galaxy S25 series is set to offer fantastic performance. The devices are expected to run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which will provide exceptional power. However, it's the increased RAM that will really make a difference, particularly in how the phones handle artificial intelligence AI features. In today's world, AI capabilities are no longer a luxury. They're a standard feature on many high-end smartphones. But to run these AI-powered features effectively, a phone needs more than just a fast processor. It needs enough RAM to handle the demands of AI algorithms. This is why the Galaxy S25's 12 GB of RAM will give it a significant edge. RAM is crucial in allowing the phone to process and store data for tasks like multitasking and running AI models in real time. If you've been paying attention to trends in the smartphone industry, you've probably noticed that many flagship devices are now being equipped with much more RAM to accommodate these AI features. Google's Pixel 9 Pro, for instance, comes with 16 GB of RAM, making it one of the most AI-friendly phones available. On the other hand, Apple's latest devices, such as the iPhone 15, come with 8 GB of RAM, which limits their ability to run some AI features as smoothly as competitors like the Pixel 9 Pro. The Galaxy S25, with its upgraded 12 GB of RAM, is ready to handle these emerging AI tasks without any hiccups. With the increased memory, Samsung is positioning the Galaxy S25 as a phone that can tackle not just today's apps and games, but also the next generation of AI-driven features. The jump to 12 GB of RAM in the base model is a clear sign that Samsung is looking to future-proof the Galaxy S25 for years to come. The additional storage is another win. With 256 GB of space to the base model, users won't need to worry about running out of room for their apps, photos, videos, and other content. With more memory and more storage, the Galaxy S25 will feel like a premium device right from the start. As the smartphone world moves towards AI and more advanced technologies, having enough RAM is becoming essential for providing a smooth, responsive user experience. The Galaxy S25's 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage ensure that the device can handle everything from demanding apps to AI models, giving users an experience that's both fast and future-proof. We'll be watching closely as Samsung officially reveals the Galaxy S25 series in January, but it's clear that these upgrades set the stage for a device that will push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the big reveal. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.